This is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I will show how you can turn off the safe mode on this device. So, removing the safe mode on this or any other phone practically is the matter of rebooting your system, just plain casual restart. So, in order to reload your smartphone, you gotta hold the side power button for 3 seconds or so. Then once the power off menu appears, choose the restart option, and let's give it a minute or so to be properly reloaded so I can prove that safe mode is no more. So as you can clearly see, the safe mode was successfully disabled. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.